What is going on? What is going on? Legendary Giraffe here with a new hot seat. The Tyronia custom campaigns hot seat. I don't know what I'm going to title it in the description yet, but you'll see it if you're looking at it. Anyways, let's make a password and let's get this started. All right. So you remember this this fancy map from my last words from my mod review? Yeah, there you go. I went retard there for a second. So I'm gonna rename all my cities to cities that for names that I feel are more appropriate. Because Uville sucks, Pinos sucks. These names are sucky shit. I want to rename them. That's not how you spell guard, you stupid idiot. All right. Sorry if I sound irritated. I just got done playing a game of Civ with my friends, and it took frickin' forever. Bam! All our cities are renamed. We need to rename our civilization. Will be the Holy Scottish Kingdom. And rolling add. Boom. All right, there we go.
Aye, my liege.
First of all, I don't think we do make good money. I wish I could see this things in a way. I don't know if you guys can see that pop up there. Just go ahead and get these. This is we're making money still. We should go ahead and attack this.
Honor of Scotland. We must
Just actually get more. Even though I just got some. I'm not gonna get those right now though, because I don't want my economy to totally tank. I'm also gonna move over here because I started a. Just look at the diplomacy. Actually, I'll go by the factions that are already controlled by people, and I'll explain the people that are them. England is computer. Holy Roman Empire is Berry Knight. Controlling Spain is Rampand. Controlling Merchant Republic of Venice is Warrior Angel. Byzantine Empire is Visceral Jouster. Relatively new to hot seats and me working with him. Russia is Captain Invisible. Glad to have him here. And last but not least, the Papal States are controlled by officially Devon. So Devon, Warrior, and Rampand are continuing to be awesome people and joining hot seats with me. So I'm really starting to like those guys. They're really cool. We should probably, there's a city here I want to get, so we should probably take all these guys out. Is the city upset? Kind of. We can just train more because I think you get free upkeep here anyway. Let's build that. Make sure we spend our money wisely.
We make camp here, lads.
Those guys. We should probably build roads here, and along with here as well. Even though mines would be a big boost to incomes. We should probably just go ahead and put money into those mines. We can build roads whenever we get those. Training more units, not really. Also can't send messages to anyone until I meet them. So I have to watch out for the Aztecs are down here, and they're not powerful per se. They just get a lot of bonus with men and units. So they will probably contest me if I go for this city right here, which I want to do, but I'm worried about getting the small valley there first, and then I can move down here if necessary. I'm also planning on going north as well. Anyways, next time we will have this battle here. These guys I'm worried about, honestly. But if we hit them in the back with the crossbows and the Irish Cairns, we should be fine, along with our general. Can I send them men?
My king. Aye.
I probably should send them men, especially these guys. Let's send them these, because he does need some actual units. Let's look at our family tree real quick. This is our family tree right now. We have Alexander Canmore and David Canmore, along with Prince Edward Canmore and the King Malcolm Canmore. Okay. That is everything right now. I believe. I've been talking with Visceral Jouster, and we're gonna create an alliance by his princess marrying my prince. So that's why this diplomat's heading his direction over here. And I believe that's everything for this turn.
Where's the fight?
Prince Edward should be fine. Yeah, I just definitely want that church, because the Aztecs will send their sun priestess away and spread their just crappy religion over here and ruin my happiness and stuff. So get a church, build a priest, and stop all that from happening. That's everything right now, I think. That's why we'll send the turn off. Off to Visceral Jouster. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.